Hello, Bridge is one of the most exciting card games ever invented. If you're new to Bridge, this short video course of 6 lessons will be enough to get you started and playing. If you are already a player, you may want to go back and revise some of the basic topics. The lessons include the basics of taking tricks, opening one no trump, opening one of a suit, declare a play tactics, suit overcalls, and opening leads in defence. Lesson 1 will be available from January the 1st on YouTube with a weekly lesson for the following 5 weeks. Do subscribe if you would like to be informed when the lessons become available. I hope you might join us. Goodbye.